Value for money, spacious and convenient. Clean hotel with friendly staff, conveniently located near Sultan Mosque. Overall, the hotel is recommended. The hotel is clean, and the staff are friendly and very helpful. It's conveniently located near Sultan Mosque, and there are plenty of halal food options nearby. There's also a bus stop right across from the hotel, making it easy to get around. The only drawback was in the room we booked. The window is in the bathroom, which made it uncomfortable as we were concerned about being seen from outside. Fantastic. The location of this hotel is perfect for first-timers in Singapore. It's walking distance to Kampong Glam, Sultan Mosque, Arab Street, Haji Lane, up to Bugis Street. And it's only a few blocks away from a local park and restaurants. Accessibility is also not a problem. There is a bus stop directly in front of the hotel. I was worried it might get noisy since our room was beside the road, but it has been quiet. But, I must say that the walls are quite thin. We can hear the action beside our room. Lol. Staff were also friendly. We were warmly greeted by Eli at around 2 a.m. when we arrived to check in. Overall, I recommend staying here and will definitely come back next time in Singapore. Great stay. The property is located conveniently in the city center with shopping and dining options, all within walking distance. Room was spacious and well maintained. Overall comfortable stay. Good experience, strategic location with wonderful hospitality. Good location, tidy hotel, very good hotel, good location to Bugis, near to MRT also. Very convenient, 711, massage and food. Exceptional location is great, room is small, however there is a nice balcony to chill.